So hello guys, today we will discuss about ln command. By using ln command we can create soft links and hard links in Linux environment. So links is the most important topic. If you work in corporate environment, you will see there are many hard links or the soft links on the Linux server. Also you can create links for your personal use. This topic is also important if you are preparing for the Linux interviews. So firstly let's see what are links in Linux. Link is a connection between file name and the actual data on the disk. We can also call it as a shortcut. Normally in Windows desktop you will see there are many shortcuts. If you double click on any shortcut, then it will open a file or an application. But the shortcut is not the original data, right? It is a link to the original data. Similarly, we can say in Linux we have two types of shortcuts. The first one is soft link and the second one is the hard link. So a soft link is a link that when created and it will be removed if original data file is removed or renamed. The inode numbers are different in a soft link. We use ln-s to create a soft link. And hard link. Renaming, removing or deleting the original file will not affect the link. The inode number will remain the same in hard link. That means if you create a hard link and then if you delete the original file from its location, then it will not affect the hard link. It will remain works. So let's get into our Linux machine. I connected to my Linux server by using CMD and I have two sessions here. We will start with the soft link. So where I'm in my home directory, and in my home directory I created folder called folder 1. And in that folder I again created some folders like folder 2, folder 3 and folder 4. And this folder 4 I have two files, demo 1 and demo 2. So let's create a soft link for demo 1 in temp directory. You can create soft link anywhere. Like for this tutorial I am creating it in the temp directory. So first we use pwd to printing current directory. Then we will go to the temp folder, cd temp shortcuts. So I created a shortcut folder in temp. Now to create a link, ln-s, the path which is this one, the file name demo1, and then you have to specify the link name, or we can say shortcut name. If you do not provide any name, then the link will create with the same name as the file name. I name it as demo1 soft link and hit enter. Then ls-l. Here you can see demo1 soft link pointing to this location. And also if you see type of the file is L, means link. Let's write something in the original file, echo hello world, writing this to demo1. Now if we cat this file, you can see hello world is added. Now let's check with the link. So cat demo1 soft link, bingo. You can see the same content is showing here because it pointing to the original file. You can also add data by using link. Let's try it. Echo hello Linux, appending to demo1 soft link. Then cat demo1 soft link. You will see the line is added. And if you read the original file, cat demo1, here also the data is added. Okay, cool. Now what if I remove or delete the original file? Before that, let's check the inode numbers of both files. So ls-li, the original file inode number is this. Let's check for the link ls-li. You can see both the inode numbers are different. That means both files are different. Just link is pointing to the another file. Now let's delete the original file. rm demo1. Demo1 is no longer. Now let's check the link ls-l. Here you can see the link color is changed to red. That means it indicates that link is broken. You can also remove the link rm demo1 soft link. Now let's check the hard link. So here in my folder 4 I have another file called demo2. Let's create a hard link for this in temp location. Now all the process is similar as soft link which we have created. The only difference is you do not have to specify -s option. So ln path of the original file, and this time intentionally I am not giving any name to the link. So it will create a link with the same name to the file. Obviously you can give it a different name, ls-l. Now you can see the difference. This link does not have any pointing location as like soft link. Now some people will say, Why we do this? We can also copy the file to the different location. Yes, you are right. But if we copy the file to the different location, then it will also use the extra disk space, as well as if you update the original file, then it will not update the copied file. To verify both files are same or not, you can check their inode numbers by using ls-i option. So let's check the inode numbers of the both files. pwd, currently I am in shortcuts directory. ls-i, here is the inode number. And now let's go to the original location, ls-i, and you will see both inode numbers are same. That means both names pointing to the same location in the memory. That is, if you remove original file, then it will not affect on the other one. Let's add some content in original file. Echo hello world, add to demo2, cat demo2. Okay, data is added. Now let's check the shortcut, cat demo2. Cool, same data is added here. Now let's remove the original file from the location, rm demo2 ls-l, there is no any file. Now let's try to read data from shortcut, cat demo2. Bingo, it's still available here. So this is how you can use the soft link and the hard link. I hope you understand the use of ln command and the difference between soft link and hard link. If you like my videos, then please hit that like button, and if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.